What's going on, everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So what I have for you today is a quick unboxing. This is a Samsung Galaxy Buds. I bought this and I'm deciding to do the unboxing for you guys. Alright, so what you got on top is gonna be the menu, the quick start. So let's put it from the side. We don't need it anymore. The knife as well. So yeah, this is gonna be the quick starting guide. So nobody really care about this thing. I'm pretty sure everybody's smart to know how to, to start this thing by himself. So right here, this the Earbuds. We're gonna go talk about it in a few minutes. So and then this is the the little things they give you with it. So this is gonna be the charger, the cable. You can plug it to the computer or any charger you have. Is USB Type C. You see right here. Pretty nice. Is black because most USB, when you order those devices, they always come in white. And I think white cables always ugly because they get dirty very easy. And this is the AirPods, so you could put in your ear and different size. They come with see, this is large, this is small, and all of them come with, it's like a three pair. So one already on the Earbuds. So this is the Earbuds. So what it look like, you open it, it's a little tab. So that's what it look like, pretty small. And this is the Earbuds, what it look like, the bottom. Also have a small sensor. I don't know, my camera, I don't want to focus. It's right here. Okay, you can see that's the sensor. So yeah, and this is touch control. And then the cool thing about this Earbuds is wireless charging. All right, you can see now it's charged. If I remove it, it's not charged. You put it right here, it's charged. For this slim wireless charger, if you guys interested, I could put the link down below so you could check the name brand of it. It's a pretty good. It's small, slim, it doesn't take that much space, and you also get your power level controller right here, which is good. So